Hello, the topic today is accessing PartsTech, just for accessing diagrams or general information about quotes or orders. So right now we're looking at a service order by Fred Flintstone. There's two jobs in here, and we have a couple different ways that we can go to PartsTech. But if we just wanted to go there independent of these jobs, I could go right here to this menu option called PartsTech, or I could go to the logo of PartsTech right down here, and they both take me to the same place. When I select that, it's going to take me right into the PartsTech interface, where I can look up more items, create quotes. I can also look up different items. I can look up vehicle diagrams, things like that. So it's very useful to access technical information in PartsTech, and you don't have to do it via a job or a part quote creation. Thank you.